Hello everybody, welcome to the cooking segment at Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, we are going to cook an extremely simple and very flavorful Indian style stir fry made with dil or shepo in Marathi along with some sweet potatoes. Not only is it excellent in its taste factor, but it's a powerhouse of loads of nutrients, and it goes perfectly well with the Indian staple bread called as bhakri made from multigrains and whole grains. So I hope you enjoy this. Please leave your comments on my YouTube comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't subscribed, and please hit the bell button so that you get your latest updates on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get cooking.
For this we'll need 1 cup of finely chopped dil, which is also called as sua bhaji in Hindi or shepu in Marathi, and 300 grams of boiled and cubed sweet potatoes or rathalu. If you desire, you could replace the sweet potatoes with regular potatoes too. We also need 2 to 3 dried Kashmiri red chilies, 2 medium-sized onions chopped, 4 green chilies chopped, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 6 to 7 garlic pods, 1 tablespoon of urad dal or split black gram, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, and 4 to 5 sprigs of curry leaves chopped. For the dry spices, you need 2 teaspoons each of red chili powder and coriander powder, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, salt as per taste, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Coarsely grind jeera or cumin seeds in a mortar and pestle. You can also use a grinder if you need. Then add the roughly chopped garlic along with some salt and grind it coarsely. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a heated pan. Now add mustard seeds once the oil heats up and let it crackle. Once it crackles, add some urad dal or split black gram and fry it until it's light brown. Now add some chopped curry leaves, dry red chilies, and also some asafoetida or hing, and saute this for a few seconds. Now add some finely chopped onions and green chilies and some salt to taste, and saute this for a couple of minutes. Add the coarsely ground paste of garlic and cumin and saute this for a few seconds. Now add your dry masalas, which is red chili powder, coriander powder, and some turmeric, and saute this just for a few seconds. Now add the boiled and cubed sweet potatoes along with finely chopped dil and saute this and mix it well with all the spices. After mixing well, steam cook this for about 3 minutes and it's ready to serve. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of vitamin A, C, manganese, potassium, copper, and niacin, whereas dil has a great source of vitamin C, A, folate, iron, and manganese. They both save us from a lot of inflammatory conditions like Alzheimer's, heart diseases, cancer, and dil is also used to treat colic in infants as well as digestive issues.